back to our channel. So today I got a fun, quick, easy TikTok recipe. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this all over TikTok. It's the viral pasta that everybody's been making. And right here I'm going to be using some vegan Vital Life cheese. You can use whatever cheese that you would like to use. And right here I have some basil leaves. And this one was supposed to be oregano, but I accidentally grabbed the basil instead of the oregano. And right here I got some olive oil, organic olive oil from Whole Foods. And you can use whatever type of oil you would like to use, but I think everybody's been using olive oil for the most part. And right here I have some organic cherry tomatoes. These cherry tomatoes are a little bit bigger than usual. I don't know why they're so big, but these are the tomatoes that I got. And here I have some garlic, fresh garlic. So those are the ingredients. And right here I have some cherry tomatoes spread out on the baking pan. Whatever baking pan you're going to use, make sure you take the tomatoes and spread it out around the pan. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it. And I'm going to add the feta cheese. Again, you can use whatever cheese that you would like to use. That's vegan, of course. And I'm going to sprinkle some basil on it. And then now I'm going to sprinkle some oregano on it. That's something that I actually forgot to show. So now I have most of my seasonings all sprinkled on. So now I'm just going to add about 4 cloves of garlic. You could just take the whole garlic cloves and put it in, or you can, what I'm doing is I'm going to press it out. So I'm going to take the garlic presser and just press all the garlic out. So now I'm just taking everything and I'm spreading everything around. And here's the pasta that I'm using. I love this brand of pasta. I took out 2 different types because I didn't know if I wanted to make the elbow one or the panini, but I chose to make the panini one. And here's everything all together. And as you can see, the cheese melted. Because it's vegan cheese, you can't leave it in there that long because it's going to basically melt, because vegan cheese is really nothing but, you know, like oils and stuff mixed up together, so it's not going to hold up well as, you know, regular cheese. So what I did different when I made it the second time was I put the vegan cheese in last. And now I'm just trying to crush the tomatoes. I didn't want to leave it in longer. I prefer my tomatoes a little bit more roasted, but like I said, because the cheese didn't hold up that good, I just decided to take it out a little bit earlier. So now I'm just crushing all the tomatoes up. And just stirring everything together. So next I'm about to slowly start adding in the pasta. I actually made a little too much pasta, so I'm just going to add a little bit in at a time. So here's everything, and I'm just mixing everything together. So that was it. It was quick, fun, and easy. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in our next video. Peace.